Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious chocolate chip oatmeal cookies. First, let's start by combining our wet ingredients. In a large bowl, cream together 1 cup of softened butter with 1 cup of packed light brown sugar and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Next, beat in 2 large eggs, one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated. Finally, stir in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract for that wonderful aroma and taste. Now let's prepare our dry ingredients. In a separate medium-sized bowl, whisk together 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. This ensures all the leavening agents are evenly distributed. Then, gradually add this dry mixture to your wet ingredients, mixing on low speed. Be sure to mix only until just combined. Overmixing can lead to tough cookies, and we want them perfectly tender. With our base dough ready, it's time for the stars of the show, oats and chocolate chips. Gently fold in 3 cups of old-fashioned rolled oats. These give our cookies that wonderful chewy texture. Next, incorporate 2 cups of your favorite chocolate chips. You can use semi-sweet, milk, or even dark chocolate. Mix until everything is just combined, being careful not to overwork the dough or crush the oats and chips. Finally, it's time to bake these delicious treats. Drop rounded tablespoons of dough onto ungreased baking sheets, leaving about 2 inches between each cookie. Bake them in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes, or until the edges are lightly golden. Once baked, let them cool on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. Enjoy your homemade cookies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.